Hose reel and hoses. Welcome to our course on hose reels and hoses in fire safety. In this session, we will explore the importance and functionality of hose reels in fire emergencies. Understanding these components is crucial for quick deployment and accessibility. We will cover various categories and best practices related to hose reel systems. Let's begin our discussion on the role of hose reels in fire safety. The role of hose reels in fire safety. Hose reels and hoses play a vital role in fire emergencies by ensuring quick access to water. They facilitate rapid deployment in various settings, enhancing firefighting capabilities. Understanding their importance supports effective fire safety planning. Regular maintenance ensures that hose reels are operational when needed. Training personnel on hose reel usage enhances overall emergency preparedness. Key components of hose reel systems. The key components of hose reel systems include pipes, valves, pumps, and pressure regulators. Hose connections must facilitate easy access for firefighters during emergencies. Understanding these components enhances overall system reliability. Regular checks ensure that all components function correctly. Training staff on component functionality supports effective fire management. Overview of fire hose reel devices. Fire hose reel devices are designed to store hoses for quick deployment in emergencies. They typically consist of a drum and nozzle for directing water. Understanding how these devices operate is critical for effective fire response. Regular inspections ensure that hose reels are functioning properly. Training personnel on device operation enhances emergency readiness. Different categories of fire hose reels. There are several categories of fire hose reels, including fixed, portable, automatic, manual, and motorized types. Understanding the differences among these categories helps in selecting the right equipment for various settings. Regular assessments ensure that the appropriate types are available for emergencies. Training staff on the various types supports effective fire management. Effective selection of hose reel categories contributes to overall safety. Features and applications of fixed hose reels. Fixed hose reels are permanently mounted in strategic locations for quick access. They are commonly used in facilities with fire hazards. Understanding their specifications enhances overall system reliability. Regular checks ensure that fixed reels are operational and accessible. Training personnel on fixed hose reel features supports effective fire safety. Benefits and uses of portable hose reels. Portable hose reels are easily transported and can be used where fixed reels are not available. They are commonly found in outdoor settings and temporary sites. Understanding the advantages of portable hose reels supports effective fire management. Regular inspections ensure that portable reels remain functional. Training staff on the use of portable reels enhances overall emergency response. How automatic hose reels function. Automatic hose reels deploy hoses upon activation, making them ideal for industrial settings. Understanding their functioning is essential for effective fire safety. Regular checks ensure that automatic reels operate correctly during emergencies. Training personnel on automatic hose reel operation supports effective fire management. Effective use of automatic reels enhances overall safety measures. Operational insights for manual hose reels. Manual hose reels require manual operation for deployment, suitable for lower risk settings like residences. Understanding their operation is essential for effective fire response. Regular assessments ensure that manual reels are functioning properly. Training staff on manual reel operation enhances emergency preparedness. Effective use of manual reels supports overall fire safety. Advantages of motorized hose reels. Motorized hose reels utilize a motor for automatic hose deployment, crucial for quick response in large structures. Understanding their specifications enhances overall system reliability. Regular checks ensure that motorized reels operate correctly. Training personnel on motorized reel operation supports effective fire management. Effective use of motorized reels enhances safety during emergencies. Benefits of implementing hose reel systems. Hose reel systems provide a reliable water supply and faster response time during emergencies. They increase safety and reduce property damage while ensuring compliance with regulations. Understanding these benefits supports effective fire safety planning. Regular assessments ensure that systems are functional and compliant. Training staff on hose reel systems enhances overall emergency preparedness. Durability and design characteristics of hose reels. Hose reels are constructed from durable materials such as steel, aluminum, or plastic. They come in various lengths and diameters, designed for specific water pressures, typically between 5 to 10 bar. Understanding these design characteristics enhances overall system reliability. Regular inspections ensure that hose reels maintain their integrity. Training personnel on design specifications supports effective fire management. Introduction to fire hose types and applications. Fire hoses are flexible tubes carrying water or suppression agents, varying in size and material. Common materials include rubber and synthetic fibers. Understanding different hose types is essential for effective fire response. Regular assessments ensure that hoses are suitable for specific applications. Training staff on hose types enhances overall fire safety management. Exploring various types of fire hoses. Different types of fire hoses include rubber-lined hoses, thermoplastic-lined hoses, and jacketed fire hoses. Understanding the specifications of each type supports effective fire management. Regular checks ensure that hoses remain functional and compliant. Training personnel on hose types enhances emergency preparedness. Effective selection of fire hoses contributes to overall safety. Key features of effective fire hoses. Effective fire hoses must exhibit durability, flexibility, heat and flame resistance, and strength under pressure. Understanding these key features supports overall system reliability. Regular inspections ensure that hoses maintain their effectiveness. Training staff on hose specifications enhances overall fire safety management. Effective use of hoses is critical for successful firefighting. Best practices for utilizing fire hose reels. Best practices include activating the fire alarm and knowing the location and operation of the reel. Using proper personal protective equipment, PPE, is essential for safety. Understanding these practices enhances overall fire safety management. Regular training ensures that personnel are familiar with procedures. Effective utilization of hose reels contributes to successful firefighting efforts. The functionality of hose nozzles in fire response. Hose nozzles deliver a controlled water stream essential for effective firefighting. Adjustable nozzles allow for changes in flow rate and pattern. Understanding nozzle functionality supports effective fire management. Regular checks ensure that nozzles operate correctly during emergencies. Training staff on nozzle operation enhances overall readiness. Techniques for proper positioning and application. Positioning the nozzle at the fire's base and using a smooth, steady water flow are critical techniques. Monitoring the fire and adjusting as needed is essential for effectiveness. Understanding these techniques enhances overall fire safety management. Regular training ensures that personnel are familiar with best practices. Effective positioning contributes to successful firefighting efforts. Guidelines for the effective use of fire hoses. Guidelines include wearing protective gear, ensuring proper connection, and directing the nozzle at the fire's base. Using short bursts of water and regularly checking for damage are also essential. Understanding these guidelines supports effective fire management. Regular assessments ensure that hoses are used correctly during emergencies. Training staff on these guidelines enhances overall safety measures. Identifying common mistakes in hose usage. Common mistakes include mishandling hoses, lack of maintenance, and using the wrong hose type. Incorrect storage can also lead to issues with functionality. Understanding these mistakes supports effective fire safety management. Regular training ensures that personnel are aware of proper procedures. Avoiding these mistakes contributes to successful firefighting efforts. Importance of fire hose cabinets in fire safety. Fire hose cabinets provide secure storage for hoses and equipment. They must be mounted in strategic locations for quick access during emergencies. Understanding the importance of cabinets enhances overall fire safety. Regular checks ensure that cabinets remain accessible and functional. Training personnel on cabinet usage supports effective fire management. Steps for proper installation of hose systems. Proper installation of hose systems includes designing the system and obtaining necessary permits. Installing hose reels and hoses is critical for compliance and effectiveness. Understanding installation requirements supports overall fire safety management. Regular assessments ensure that systems are installed correctly. Training staff on installation procedures enhances emergency preparedness. Understanding compliance with fire safety regulations. Compliance with NFPA standards, OSHA regulations, ISO standards, and local building codes is essential. Understanding these regulations supports effective fire safety management. Regular assessments ensure that systems remain compliant. Training personnel on regulatory requirements enhances overall readiness. Effective compliance contributes to successful firefighting efforts. Testing procedures for hose reel effectiveness. Conducting flow and functional tests post-installation ensures hose reel effectiveness. Understanding testing procedures is critical for compliance and safety. Regular assessments ensure that systems operate correctly. Training staff on testing procedures enhances overall fire safety management. Effective testing contributes to successful firefighting efforts. Training staff on efficient use of hose equipment. Training staff on using hose reels and hoses in emergencies is essential for effectiveness. Instruction on proper techniques and safety measures enhances overall readiness. Understanding the importance of training supports effective fire management. Regular training sessions ensure that personnel are familiar with procedures. Effective training contributes to successful firefighting efforts. The need for ongoing maintenance of hose systems. Ongoing maintenance includes regular inspections and testing for compliance. Understanding the importance of maintenance ensures readiness and functionality. Regular assessments help identify potential issues before they escalate. Training personnel on maintenance procedures supports effective fire safety management. Effective maintenance contributes to successful firefighting efforts. Recap of key concepts in hose reel systems. In conclusion, we have discussed the importance of hose reels, hoses, and cabinets in fire safety. Each component plays a critical role in effective firefighting. Regular training and assessments contribute to overall safety and reliability. Commitment to fire safety protocols enhances protection for all occupants. Let's continue to prioritize safety in all aspects of our operations. Thank you. Thank you for participating in our course on hose reel and hoses. I hope you found the information valuable for understanding fire safety measures. Our next class will focus on portable fire extinguishers, where we will explore additional essential concepts in fire suppression. We look forward to seeing you there.